It's possible you have come across a document like this in MS Word, in which you have the first page to be in portrait orientation and the next page is in landscape orientation, and in that order. How do we achieve this in MS Word? It's very simple. Let's start from a new page. Here you have a new document, and assuming you have worked on it like this, you come to the last line of that particular page. You want to change the next page. So having set your cursor at the last line of that particular page, you now move to Layout tab. Under Layout tab, you click on Breaks. We are going to use Next Page under section Breaks. When you click on Next Page, it breaks the section, and from here you can change the orientation. Not only the orientation, you can as well change the page size. Now let's work on the orientation. We go back to orientation and choose landscape. So with this, it won't affect the previous page, and from there as well you can change it depending on what you want to do. Thank you.